Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you trick how to remove big hump on your subfloor and make your job done very fast. I did in the basement leveling and there was big hump around 2 inches up. You see when I put straight edge how big gap I have. So first of all I have idea grind it down, but if I grind it so big hump and it's ground concrete floor, it's take around 5-6 hours. First of all I set up bottom laser line on my 4D laser level, and this laser showed me where is this hump located. Then I took a DeWalt rotary hammer. It's really good tools for me. I'm using so long. It's small, light and cordless. And you see I start chiseling, and when I set up laser, this green line showed me when I'm just chiseling. If green line disappear, it means no more high spot in this area. What you see from left side, it's already disappeared some parts. So very simple, and don't need to use straight edge every 5 minutes, you know, just chiseling green spots and that's it. You see, after chiseling there is always few deep spots which I fill up with foam. Then I put primer, and after I put self-leveling compound. To spread self-leveling compound I use straight edge. Very simple work. So, and whole this room I finished during this 3-4 hours. For flattening surface I also use spike roller. This spike roller helped me spread the self-leveling compound, make whole surface like mirror, remove whole bubbles. You see, very good. Now you know this amazing trick with laser and rotary hammer. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you next video.